What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing an Oompa Loompa from Willy Wonka. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. I want to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's start by lining up the top, and bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So we're going to start up against the edge of the eye, bring this in, and then back out. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw a curve along the bottom of the nose. Let's start on the left. Come down, round out the nose, and then bend that up. Now we're going to move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Just underneath the nose, we're going to add a curve from left to right, coming down and up for the mouth. And then on the ends, we're going to add the cheeks, coming down and then out. Let's go back to the center, step down, add a small curve for the lower lip. Let's place the eyebrows on top of the eyes. We're going to start on the left. I want to bend this up and then in. Let's line this up on the right, going out and then down. Let's round out the inside of the eyebrow, going all the way around towards the outside and just taper towards a point. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to start from the outside of the left eye, step out, the head, coming down, come in towards the chin, go across, and then up towards the same height. Let's bend the side of the head, coming in and then up. And then at the top, I'm just going to bend this up and then in. Now let's connect these two lines with a curve coming down the middle and then back up. Let's go to this left point and draw that swirl along the top of the head. So we're going to go out towards the left, come in, I'm just going to curl that back out. Now I'm just going to make our way back down towards this right point. We're going to go up, come all the way around, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to go back to the cheeks and continue this curve. I'm going to add a curl of hair going all the way around and then in. And then from here, I'm just going to curl this around and then out. Just curve the head going up and just bend that in towards that center swirl. Let's add some more curls along the side of the head. Starting on the left, come down and then in. And then we'll add one more. Come down and in. Now with the face complete, let's move down and draw in the collar. We're going to start over on the left, come around toward the bottom, go across, and then up on the right. Let's add some stripes, leaving a gap in the center. Draw two lines, one on the left, one on the right. And add a couple more coming down on each side. Now we're going to leave a gap underneath the collar on either side and curve the body, going out and then down towards the hip. Let's connect the hip with a curve, going down and then up. Now we're going to add those two straps going across the body, leaving a gap in the center. On the left side, angle this down and then out. Step over and draw that again. Now we want to do the same thing going across in the opposite direction. So we're going to step over, just going to tuck this in behind, continue down toward the bottom, step out, and then draw that again. Let's add two circles across the bottom. And then in the center, add a curve going up and then down. In the middle, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from that center line, curve the foot coming down and then up toward the left and right side. And we'll curl the shoe, going up and then in. Now at the top, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around and then back down. Now on the inside of the circles, draw a curve coming down and then up in the middle. And then underneath that circle, add a curve coming down and in. Let's add a stripe going across those circles in an angle. So draw 2 straight angled lines. Let's go back up to the hips. We're going to curve the pant, coming down and then out. Let's round out the pant, come down and in on top of those circles. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the hands with the palms facing forward. We're going to start with the thumb. So just beside the body, curve the thumb, coming in, around, and then back out. Let's line this up on the right. Coming in and out. And I'll add 3 fingers along the top. Let's start on the left. I'm going to go up, curl the finger, coming down and in. Let's add the second finger, going up, and then in. And then the third finger, just pulling that in towards the palm. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the bottom of the thumb and curve the palm, coming down, just bend that up. Now I want to create a fold, so we step back down, go out, and then in underneath that outside finger. Let's add a fold in the center of the palm, going up and then down. Now going back up to the collar, we're going to curve the arm coming down and then out in behind the hands. And then from underneath the palm, bend the arm coming down and then up toward the side of the body. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw an Oompa Loompa from Willy Wonka. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.